found something cool in the day.
What'd you got?
A car.
That's a cool looking car. What is it?
Nothing.
Then clean it up. Gotta have that foo-foo juice. Here. Don't spread it. Get it all over your leg. Here, him hold it.
Yeah.
All right, spray her off. Let's see what it is.
Yeah, we'll spray this lady off.
Don't need it. It needs a washing.
Yeah, we need to spray this lady off. Flip it on the back. Flip it on the back. Flip it over. Maybe the other side.
Looks like it's been in a wreck, huh?
Spinning around. Turn it back over. Select over.
It's a matchbox.
No, it's not.
Right here it says matchbox. See if it's got a year on it. Right here, right here. Right here it is, right here, look. 1997 looks like. All right, way to go. Let's go find something else. All right, so to the next hole.
To the next hole. Hey guys, we found a stinking Lincoln.
Stinking Lincoln.
Yep, stinking Lincoln.
Stinking Lincoln.
Stinking Lincoln. Oh. Hey guys, Mama just found a $50.
Her first one ever.
Yay! What you got?
What you got?
What you got?
Pepper juice.
All right.
What year is it?
Let's see.
Wait.
What?
Oh, it's a barber.
Yeah.
Hey, why do I go get this spray?
1907.
Let her spray it for
Here
you.
you go. Here you go. You can do the
All right,
back.
Emily.
Let's see if there's a mint mark. Go ahead.
Okay.
Break out the foo-foo juice. I can't believe you found that.
Oh no. Oh my gosh.
I can't get it to focus.
Uh-oh. You having problems with the foo-foo?
It's running out.
You gotta hold it up a little bit.
See, it's not running
Yeah,
out.
okay, here. You do it this way. Oh, on the... That is awesome. Look. Oops, you got more.
Hold it sideways.
Here.
Well, it's in really good shape too. Look at it.
No, wait, there's still some dirt on there.
Hang on. It's coming off. There, now do it. All right. Ooh, it's got a mint mark. Look. Hold on, hold on. Okay. See it? Hold on, baby.
Oh,
Oh.
turn it around. Turn around. Let's see it. That's awesome.
Yeah. That is too cool. I found a $50.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Emily.
Bye, guys. This is awesome.